Emma's front teeth.
Yes, I lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can't wait until I get grown-up teeth.
You can't what?
Wait until I get grown-up teeth.
Oh. It's so funny looking. Oh, your tooth is coming in.
This one and this one.
Nice.
Yep.
They're white. They're very white.
But my friends say they're yellow.
Really? No.
Can I watch the video?
Sure. How old are you?
6.
16?
6.
16?
6.
Oh, just 6?
Yes.
What grade are you in?
I'm not in a grade. I'm kindergarten.
Oh, all right. Well, kindergarten's a grade, isn't it?
It's not a number.
It's true.
Because kindergarten, it's a K.
Right.
My teacher's name is Mrs. Willard and Mrs. Something and Mrs. Something.
Oh, yeah? Did you just move to a new school?
I didn't just.
Well, about a month ago?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like it?
Yes.
Good.
But I miss my old friends.
I bet you do. I bet they miss you, too.
I really miss Sarah. Because he's my bestest friend.
Really? Do you have her phone number?
Nope.
Should have gotten it.
But Daddy knows it.
Oh, okay.
Because, Liz knows Sarah's mom.
Oh, good.
And her phone number.
Why don't you call her when you're at Daddy's?
Do you know Daddy's phone number?
Yeah.
Do you know her phone number?
Don't put your hand over there.
Now can I watch it?
Yeah, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.